First of all, you get 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. You get an 8-year, 100,000-mile propulsion component warranty, and you have fast charging capabilities. Power and torque, you have 200 horsepower and 266 pounds of torque. This is split between 2 driving modes, normal and sport. The sport mode offers a more responsive throttle, making it quicker off the line than the normal mode for that extra thrill. One-pedal mode is essentially the same as regressive braking. One-pedal driving allows the driver to bring the vehicle to a full stop without using the brake pedal. What is the difference between the Bolt EV and the Bolt EUV? The EUV is bigger, more spacious, better storage capacity. You also get the premium package, which includes upgraded wheels, upgraded tires, heated leather seats, and a Bose surround system. You get remote start. You have a 10.2-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You get wireless charging. You have efficiency display screens. You get adaptive cruise, and in certain models, you get the Super Cruise. With the rear camera and HD surround vision, this option offers you more viewing options when your vehicle is shifted in reverse. It will show you the rear view on your infotainment system next to a bird's eye surround view. If you have any questions or would like any additional information about the Bolt EV or the Bolt EUV, please come see me, Steve Snyder, or any of the other sales professionals, or call us at 828-327-9171 at Everett Chevrolet.